taping.
Mix it up. Come here, baby. Nice and wet. 1 bucket to 4 bags, or 3/4 bucket to 4 bags, 60-pound bags, 4 at a time. Got it going nice. Got the shade set up, and to move it back a little bit, but it's coming out good. Almost done. Now we gotta finish. Just went around edging, did some finish trial work. It's looking very, very good. I've got the broom. I'm gonna do a little broom finish here. Got the edges really good. I think this used 78 bags, almost 80 bags. And this is 10 foot by 8'7". It was going to be 10 by 10, so now I have extra. We're going to fix her little wall that's falling down back here. It's kind of got a crack to it, so we're going to put some form over here and just put the rest of the bags underneath that wall so that it doesn't fall down on it. It's the one crack, the one spot on the whole wall that's undermined. And yeah, just waiting on this to set. Do a nice broom finish and be out of here. Got paint coming tomorrow for the roof. I'm gonna do a nice red, I think it's country red on the roof. So I gotta go prep that, go get the paint. Broom finish on it. It's ready to go. Now we got to move that onto here. Not too bad. Let it dry. We're gonna have one more extra person here tomorrow, so we'll strip the forms and then pull that up on here. Shouldn't take that long.